Let me ask you something uncomfortable. How many hours have you spent this week manually editing video? How much money are you sending to expensive AI platforms every single month just to produce content that still looks like everyone else's? What if I told you that the entire workflow, the concept, the visuals, the cinematic shots, the music, the final edit, could be handled by a single AI triggered by a single prompt in one seamless flow? Today, I am going to show you exactly how to build a professional high-end video commercial with Flova AI and Seedance 2.0. No editing skills required, no massive budget, no team, just you. One chat box and a workflow that outputs results good enough to charge premium agency rates for. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you a built-in feature inside Flova that most people completely miss, and it is specifically designed to protect freelancers from accidentally burning through their credits. Let's get into it. Inside the Flova dashboard, you'll find a skill called Product Commercial. This is where everything begins. I typed in our exact master prompt. Generate a high-end cinematic commercial for a futuristic luxury smartwatch. Start with extreme macro shots of the glowing neon dials, dynamic camera movement, slow pan around the product, cinematic lighting, dramatic shadows, subtle volumetric fog in the background, photorealistic 8K resolution shot on red. Transition into a fast-paced, energetic montage, no text overlays. Then I hit generate. Now, watch what happens, because this is not what you are expecting. Flova does not just blindly spit out a video. The first thing it does is build a professional 5-step production plan, the same kind of structured breakdown a human creative director would hand you in a meeting. You can see every phase laid out clearly before a single frame is rendered. That structure alone tells you this tool was built by people who actually understand how professional video production works. Step 1 of that plan, core visual generation. And the quality here is immediately striking. These smartwatch images are rendering in pure 2K resolution, sharp, detailed, commercial grade. The kind of product imagery clients pay photographers hundreds of dollars per shot to produce. Flova is outputting it automatically from your prompt. Once the visuals are locked, the AI moves into rendering the dynamic video shots, and this is where something brilliant happens, something I have not seen any other platform do. The system pauses. It does not just continue and drain your balance, it stops, surfaces a confirmation prompt, and tells you, this next task is going to consume a significant number of credits. Do you want to proceed? That is Flova's built-in budget protection system. And for freelancers managing multiple client projects, this single feature is worth its weight in gold. You will never log in and find a surprise charge wiping out your credit balance. You are always in control of where your money goes. I hit continue, and Flova rendered all 3 cinematic video shots simultaneously in full 1080p resolution. Each shot is clean, motion is smooth, and the production value looks like it came out of a real studio. But here's where Flova genuinely earns its reputation. After the video shots are rendered, the AI does not stop there. It automatically composes a completely original, custom 30-second electronic cinematic score built specifically for this commercial. Not a stock track, not a royalty-free loop, a custom composition, generated and synced to match the pacing and mood of your video. And then it drops everything, the video shots to music, the transitions, onto a fully editable timeline, perfectly synchronized from the first frame to the last. The commercial is done, client ready, right there in front of you. Now let's talk about delivery, because this is where you actually get paid. Flova gives you 2 export paths, and both of them are built for professional use. Option 1, export your final video, completely watermark-free. Clean, polished, ready to hand directly to your client with your own branding on it. This is the standard delivery option for most commercial work. Option 2, download the PWR file. This takes your entire Flova project and hands it off to Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or any professional editing software you prefer, so you can do manual fine-tuning if the client wants specific adjustments. This option alone transforms Flova from a standalone generator into a full production asset inside your existing workflow. Now, let's talk about what this actually costs, because the pricing right now is genuinely hard to ignore. Flova is currently in a global launch phase, and they're offering up to 54% off their subscription plans. You can access Seedance 2.0 generation for as low as 11 cents per second. And if you go with an annual plan, you get up to 100,000 bonus credits stacked on top of your subscription. Both the starter and pro plans are built to give serious creators serious generation power, without the kind of pricing that makes you think twice before hitting generate. This is the window where early adopters lock in the best rates before the platform fully scales. The link to claim that discount is in the description below. Click it, explore the plans, and pick what fits your workflow. If you're a freelancer, a content creator, or someone building any kind of agency-level video service, what I just showed you is the entire pipeline. One prompt, 5 automated stages, a finished client-ready commercial, complete with custom music, cinematic shots, and the fully synced timeline. The barrier to entry for professional video production just dropped to almost nothing. The question is whether you are going to use that or keep watching other people do it. Drop a comment below and tell me what product or brand you would run through this workflow first. Hit the like button if this opened your eyes to what is actually possible right now. And subscribe to Esmile AI, because every video I put out is built around giving you the real working ground level AI knowledge that moves the needle. I'll see you in the next one.